I will talk about how can you disable this sign on how you can do that on your Amazon shopping app. So all you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on this sign down here. So when you just click here on this sign, it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you just click here on notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on Amazon shipping here. Then you just scrolling down here. So actually you will find here low simply here notifications and smart rewards. You will find here low simply here voice notifications. Click in this sign. Like you see color it's gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.